Hello everyone! So for today's video,
We will talk about
The scientific method.
Let's talk about the meaning.
Of scientific method.
the scientific method is a process of experimentation
that is used to explore observation and answer questions.
So, let's try to apply the scientific method. First, we need to apply the first step, which is observation or the question.
What are the hardest subjects to learn in criminology? But let's define criminology.
Criminology is scientific study of crime as a social phenomenon of criminals and penal treatment. Criminology includes the study of all aspects of crime and law enforcement, criminal psychology, the social setting of crime, prohibition and prevention, investigation and detection, capture and punishment.
We ask current and former criminology students what are the hardest subject for them. Before we start this research documentary, we conclude that the hardest subjects are those who are related in laws and especially in science.
Then we come up to the data that compose of the subject that student thinks are the hardest subjects in criminology. Those are criminal jurisprudence and procedure, law enforcement administration, criminal sociology, and criminal law.
Let's define the meaning of criminal jurisprudence and procedure. It is a subject of criminology course. Under this are the areas of criminal law and jurisprudence. Criminal law book 1 and 2. Criminal procedure, related special penal laws, evidence and court testimony. It gains 20% of the criminology's board examination.
While law enforcement administration focuses on the policing process or how law enforcement agencies are organized and managed in order to achieve the goals of law enforcement. Most effectively, it composes of police organization and administration, police planning, police control operations, police communication system, police intelligence, police personnel and records management, comparative police systems, and industrial security management. It gains 20% of the criminologist board exam.
The last one is the criminal sociology and composes of introduction to criminology and psychology of crimes, Philippines criminal justice system, ethics and values, juvenile delinquency and crime prevention, human behavior and crisis management, criminological research and statistics. It gains 15% of the criminology board exam.
Upon asking and conducting scientific method, we therefore conclude that hardest subjects are those who are related in law because it requires memorization that is very hard for anybody. Then last one is those subjects that is related to science because it very much intricate and confusing.